Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F3 error on your Haier Inverter AC and wondering how to get your cool air back, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into what this error means and walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that you can do at home. Let's jump right in. First off, the F3 error on your Haier Inverter AC typically indicates a problem with the evaporator temperature sensor or the indoor fan. This could be caused by dust buildup, a faulty sensor, or even loose wiring, common issues in 2025 models that see a lot of use. Don't worry. Most of these are easy to fix without calling a professional right away. Before we start, safety first. Always turn off and unplug your AC unit to avoid any electrical hazards. Once that's done, grab a soft brush, a vacuum, and maybe a multimeter if you have one. Step 1. Clean the filters and coils. Dust and debris can block airflow, triggering the error. Remove the front panel, take out the filters, and gently clean them with soapy water. Then, use a vacuum to clear any dust from the coils. Be careful not to bend them. Step 2. Check for loose connections. Open the unit carefully and inspect the wires connected to the evaporator sensor and fan motor. If anything looks disconnected or damaged, secure it or replace it if necessary. This is where a multimeter comes in handy to test for continuity. Step 3. Reset the unit. After cleaning and checking, plug it back in, turn it on, and see if the error clears. If not, try a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds or unplugging it for a few minutes. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call in a certified technician, as there could be a deeper problem like a defective sensor. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these errors, so clean your AC every few months. There you have it. Simple fixes for the Haier Inverter AC F3 error. Give this a try, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home repair tips. Stay cool, everyone.